Good morning, Liverpool class, and welcome again. This week in maths, we're going to have a look at telling the time. Now then, let's have a look at this clock. Hours and minutes. And maybe at home you could get a clock out and that would help you look. Can you see that the hour hand and the minute hand? The hour hand is the shortest hand that doesn't touch the number, where the minute hand is the longer hand and that goes over the number. So you can see if the minute hand is over 12, that means it's o'clock. So we're going to first of all look at o'clock. Okay, so when the minute hand is pointing to 12, it's showing a full hour. We call this o'clock. On this clock, the hour hand is pointing at the 8. That's the hour hand, and the minute hand at 12. So this clock is showing that the time is 8 o'clock. And you can see on this clock, look, it's showing that it goes around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and to 12 o'clock. So have a look at this clock, look. Remember that if we go back, look, the hour hand is pointing at 7 and the minute hand is pointing at the 12. So the minute hand is the one that goes round the clock and the hour hand is pointing at 7. So this would be 7 o'clock. What would this one be? Remember, the minute hand is over 12 and the hour hand is pointing directly through. So it would be 3 o'clock. You tell me what that one would be. And that one. And that one. And that one. Now then, up, look. Can you see which clock shows 2 o'clock? The one that has the green tick, because the hour hand is pointing at 2 and the minute hand is pointing at 12. They all show o'clock, but we wanted to see the one that said 2 o'clock. Again, look, that one shows 4 o'clock. And that one shows 10 o'clock. Now then, what I want you to do this week is to be able to tell the time to o'clock. Have a go at reading times to o'clock. Each time, get an adult to question you and ask you, what time is it? And I hope that you will be able to tell the time to o'clock. Maybe you could draw a clock and get an adult to write the numbers on a clock and to draw a time on it, an o'clock time, and then you write the time underneath. I would love to see some of that work. Happy learning with telling the time to o'clock.